Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Happy new month to you guys. So today's video I will be doing a DIY blue magic coily cream that can help you to define your coils, moisturize your hair, and also promote hair growth. It can also nourish your hair and your scalp and put it in a good condition, in a good environment for new growth. So aloe vera is one thing that people use a lot to grow their hair. So because of its goodness and many benefits that it can offer to our hair grow, so it also good to condition our hair, like it can keep your hair out of itching, like can prevent itching in the scalp, and also it can also reduce dandruff and also condition your hair and also provide shine and also promote hair growth. It can also smooth your scalp and your hair, which is so good. There are a lot of benefits that you can get from using aloe vera on your hair. So what I just did, I used my grater to grate it. Then I'm just using my sauce cap now to press out the gel. So this is how I normally make my aloe vera gel, so I don't need to blend it. I just use my grater to grate it, just like press it so that the gel can easily come out of it. So the next thing we'll be having here is my flaxseed. So I will be making flaxseed because I will be needing flaxseed also for this my DIY. So flaxseed is also one thing that can really help you to promote hair growth if you really want to grow out your hair. So now I'm going to put 1 cup of flaxseed, 1 cup of water inside my flaxseed. Flaxseed have vitamin E, which are so good for hair growth. Vitamin E is very great for hair, for both our hair and also our skin. It nourish and also promote the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It also helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp, so that can also promote hair growth and slow down hair breakage. So now my flaxseed gel is ready. It's not that thick and it's also not that watery. It's just in a perfect consistency, because when you leave it for some time it's going to think more than this. So because I'm also going to use my sauce card to press out the remaining gel that you can see in that little pot. So now it's time for me to take out my blue magic. So I'm using the super shell glue, which I love so much. These 3 blue magic that I'm using, they are currently my favorite. So I also love the India hem, but I don't have it at hand now. So if you have any kind of blue magic, you can also use it, or any kind of hair grease that you have, you can also use it. This is the castor oil one, which is so good for hair growth and also condition our hair. Here is the coconut one, which is also good to moisturize your hair and your scalp also, that can also promote hair growth. So now I've added all my blue magic. I'm not going to be adding a lot of it. Here is my DIY shea butter hair grease. The video is already on my channel. In case you have not seen it, I will leave it at the description box below. Just go and check it out. So now I'm going to be adding my shea butter. So you can use any butter of your choice that you have. You can use to make this hair grease curly cream. So I'm not going to be using a lot of ingredients. I'm not going to be using a large quantity of any of the ingredients that I will be using. I'm just going to be taking just little portion of it, because I don't want this curly cream to be too oily. So I want it to be like average oil and also average in water. So here I have my castor oil. So I'm using the smaller measurement spoon that I have. So if you want to like have a lot of oil, you can use your large spoon, or just this one. Just make sure to 2 of it. So I have my cocoa I have guys, I've passed, so I cannot really tell you what I use, but I will leave all the ingredients that I use at the description box below. I use castor oil, almond oil, and this my DIY hair growth oil. I also use vitamin E. I use safflower oil. I use germ oil, and this is my emulsifying wax. So guys, I'm going to bring everything to measure. Kindly look at the description box below. You are going to see all the product that I use in this video. I will link them down at the description box below. So guys, now everything have melted, so this is how it's looking like now. So now I'm going to add my set of essential oil. So if you don't have all this here, you can use any one that you like. This can serve as a natural preservative, so I don't have preservative, so this can also serve like and keep your product like safe for like 10 to 5 days, 5 to 10 days, just because it's a natural preservative, but it's an alternative just in case you don't have preservative. You can put your product in the fridge, then just make sure you can consume it in the period of 10 days. So I'm just going to add the flaxseed and the aloe vera gel, flaxseed gel and the aloe vera gel inside my oil. So now I'm just going to be mixing it with my little spatula. So just keep on mixing it, just be mixing just like so. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. To my returning subscriber, I really appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much for always coming to support me. So if you are here for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification. So guys, this is how the product is looking like now. After mixing it for some minutes, some hours, and some seconds, this is how it's looking like now. So this is the perfect consistency. If yours is too thick, all you need to do is just to make your gel a little bit lighter. So this is how it's looking like now. I'm just going to put it inside this my empty jug to for further use. So guys, this is my DIY Blue Magic Curly Cream. So if you like this video, share with your friends and family, so let them know different ways you can use Blue Magic or hair grease. That if you don't like using Blue Magic, you can use any grease that you like. You can only use butter. If you don't want to use grease at all, you can just use butter and some of your oils that you have. Then you take your flaxseed and your aloe vera gel and make a gel out of your flaxseed. Then you have your curly cream here. So this is so moisturizing. Guys, this is the end of today's video. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye and stay safe. Bye.